Transform your outdoor space into a peaceful retreat with the latest outdoor garden furniture designs of 2025. Modern trends focus on comfort, sustainability, and elegant simplicity, perfect for creating a cozy escape right in your backyard. Whether you have a spacious garden, a small patio, or a balcony corner, today's furniture designs are all about blending style with nature. Rattan and teak wood remain timeless choices, offering durability and a warm, earthy look that complements greenery beautifully. Modular sofas with weather-resistant cushions, hanging egg chairs, and minimalist wooden benches are leading the way this year. For a touch of luxury, many homeowners are adding fire pits, outdoor dining sets, and soft ambient lighting to complete the experience. Color palettes lean toward neutral tones like beige, olive, and soft gray, paired with pops of terracotta or sage green for freshness. Sustainability is also key. Eco-friendly materials and handcrafted pieces are gaining popularity for their unique charm and environmental benefits. Whether you prefer a rustic vibe or a sleek